our Parade of Patriots program. We will be celebrating our country and its heroes with songs, poems, and historical facts. We hope you enjoy it. Pay attention. There may be a quiz at the end.
I am a Viking and the son of Eric the Red. I leave Ericsson. My friends and I left Finland and landed in what is now called North America in the year 1000. Years before Columbus. I called it Finland. I also brought Christianity to Greenland.
But we were the first people to live in America. We are now called Native Americans. We live all over the country, names such as Cheyenne, Cherokee, Navajo, Wampanoag, and Arawak.
I am a Taino. I live in an island in the Caribbean. A man with strange clothes came in 3 big ships. He thought he discovered us.
I'm Christopher Columbus. I was looking for a shortcut through the Indies, but landed in North America by accident. Oops. But I call these friendly people Indians. They are